Welcome to my Amy Family Workshop. In this video, I will show you how to make a cool gift box like this in just a couple of minutes. I've already shown you before how to make such a box in origami technique. You can find the link to that video now at the top or in the description to this workshop. I kind of didn't like it that the lines that we mark when folding the box stay on its top, but that's what origami is all about. But at least you need neither scissors nor glue. In this video, I will show you how to make the same kind of a box but with an absolutely smooth top. For this, same as before, we will need 2 squares of paper. One of them, in my case this one, should be smaller than the other. The density of the paper I'm using is 150 grams per square meter. It's the standard density of scrapbooking paper. The perfect difference between the bottom and the top will be 1 centimeter. If your paper is thinner, just 7 or 8 millimeters would suffice. If the paper is thicker, take 12 to 13 millimeters. So here are my 2 squares with 1 centimeter difference. Let's start folding. It's very easy. Put your ruler to the opposite corners and draw a diagonal line. Do the same on the other diagonal too. And now fold. Lift the corner of the square and bring it to the center of the crossing. Like this. Lift the same side again and this time match it with the diagonal line. Make sure you fix the bends well. At this stage, this is what it looks like. Unfold what you just made. Take the next corner and do exactly the same. First to the center, then to the diagonal line. Follow the same simple procedure on the 2 remaining corners. Now our paper square is marked with a net of lines like this. Now watch carefully where we're going to make the cuts. It's 2 steps here and 1 step here. Same thing on the other side. Now cut along these marked lines. That's what you should get. And do the same on the opposite corner. Cut strictly along the lines and try to make it symmetrical. You should get a piece like this. All the lines have been marked, so folding the box should be no problem. I bent all the lines in the required directions. Now there's 1 simple step left. Lift the edges of the box and fix them in place. 1 and 2. I also advise you to fix the ends here with a drop of glue. And that's it. A couple of minutes and we're done. To make the bottom of the box, follow exactly the same steps. And then join them together. A wonderful box for a small gift. Subscribe to my channel, hit like, and see you in my new videos.